VSK Business Consultant, Chennai Real Estate News for January 21st to January 26, 2025. Here's the top story. Mannur is heating up. Ecobox Industrial Parks just bought a massive 50-acre plot there, and it's going to completely change the area. Expect a ton of new businesses and factories moving in, which means more jobs and more people wanting to live nearby. This is driving up demand for housing, so if you are thinking about buying a home in Mannur, be prepared for some serious competition. Prices for both land and homes are likely to rise as the area becomes more popular. Speaking of big deals, Casa Grande Premier Builder is making waves too. They just got the green light for a massive IPO, showing that investors are really excited about Chennai's real estate market. This could lead to more construction projects from Casa Grande, which is good news for homebuyers. And finally, there's the Chennai Metro project. They're gearing up to buy land for the new line, which is a big deal. Once it's finished, it's going to make getting around the city a lot easier. Areas along the metro line are expected to become more desirable places to live, so if you are thinking about buying a home there, now might be a good time to invest. Overall, Chennai's real estate market is looking bright. With big projects on the horizon, it's an exciting time to be in the market. Just be prepared for some price increases, especially in high-demand areas like Mannur. Now, let's dive into some numbers. Land prices. Land prices in Chennai have been steadily increasing, and Mannur is no exception. The average price for land in Mannur is around 3,461 rupees per square foot, but this can vary depending on the location and size of the plot. Areas closer to the upcoming Ecobox Industrial Park are likely to see even higher prices. Independent houses. The cost of an independent house in Chennai depends on several factors, including location, size, and amenities. In Mannur, you can expect to pay anywhere from 19.1 to 50 lakh rupees for a typical house. However, with the increased demand, these prices are likely to go up in the near future. Apartments. Apartments offer a more affordable option for homebuyers in Chennai. Prices can vary widely depending on the location, size, and amenities of the apartment. In general, you can expect to pay anywhere from 40 to 80 lakh rupees for a decent 2 or 3 bedroom apartment in a good location. Commercial buildings. The commercial real estate market in Chennai is also on the rise. With the city's growing economy, there is a high demand for office and retail space. The rental rates for commercial buildings can vary depending on the location and size of the property. Rental market. The rental market in Chennai is also experiencing growth. With the influx of people moving to the city for jobs and education, there is a high demand for rental properties. The average rent for a one-bedroom apartment in Chennai is around 15,000 rupees per month, but this can vary depending on the location and amenities. Mannur rental market. Mannur's rental market is expected to boom with the upcoming Ecobox development. While specific rental rates for 1 BHK, 2 BHK, and 3 BHK apartments are not available at this time, we can anticipate a significant increase in demand and rental prices. As more people move into the area for jobs, the need for rental accommodation will rise, making it a profitable investment for landlords. Conclusion. Chennai's real estate market is a dynamic and exciting place to be right now. With major developments like Ecobox and the Chennai Metro on the horizon, the city is poised for significant growth. However, it's important to do your research and work with a qualified real estate agent to make informed decisions about buying or renting property. Disclaimer. This information is for knowledge purposes only and should not be considered as professional advice. For any real estate needs, please contact VSK Business Consultant at 9840333699 or visit www.vsbusinessconsultant.in. For more insights and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram.